बहुत ज़रूरी है। सो एजेंसी फर्दर अपना काम करेगी विद द ट्रेडर्स, जिसके थ्रू ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सर्विस वो प्रोवाइड कर सके कस्टमर्स को और ट्रेडर्स को। सो ही मस्ट हैव इनफ स्पेस टू अरेंज न्यू प्रोडक्ट इन शोरूम। Now it depends on the product. जैसे कि मैंने सिल्क साड़ीज़ की बात करी, सो फॉर सिल्क साड़ी आई मस्ट हैव शोरूम जहाँ पे मैं प्रेजेंट कर सकूँ। So that facility I must have. I cannot open sari showroom on a bench or on a lorry. I must have particular showroom. And he must have ability to give reference of bank or any trader. So these are the terms and conditions जिससे किसी एजेंट को अपॉइंट करने से पहले कोई भी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी जो है वो इन सब चीज़ों का ध्यान रखती है। Now we'll talk about the basic thing of our topic. That is letter writing. That is the most important part of our topic, because basically we have letter writings only. In this unit, we do not have to explain what is agent and what is principal, what's the difference between principal and agent. But to understand these letters, you have to understand the function of the agency correspondence, what is principal, what is agent, so that you will be able to judge that what exactly you have to write in this particular letter. Now before starting the letters, I would like to explain you the format of the letter. So first of all, we will write down the company address, and that company address we can write down in between the center also. After that company address, we will leave one line, and then on the left side we will write the date. After that, inside address means receiver's address. जिसे भी हम लेटर लिख रहे हैं उसका एड्रेस we will write after date. After writing inside address, we will write salutation, dear sir, dear ma'am, and all such things. After this, again we will leave a line and we will write the subject. What is the subject of our letter? For the application of an agency, for discussing the terms and condition of an agency, or whatever. So whatever is our purpose, whatever is the subject of the letter, we will write down after the salutation. After subject line, the text of the letter, the main text, and the main text we will divide in, always we will write the main text, the main body of the letter, into 3 paragraphs. And at the end we will conclude the letter. उसका जो closing है, we will close the letter in a very proper way. And after that, signature. After signature, 2 things are important. One is enclosure line, and second thing is copy notification. So copy notation and enclose, both these 2 things are important. So that is the format of the letter regarding to agency correspondence: company address, date, inside address, after that the salutation, then subject line, the main text of the letter in 3 paragraphs, compulsorily close the letter is important, and after that signature. Now I would like to discuss letter in detail. So here I am giving you 2 examples. One is from the agent side and another one is from the principal side. So this letter is application for an agency, the initial stage, that how we will write an application for any agency. So for writing any application, what thing we will take care, किन किन points का हमें ध्यान रखना होगा. So the first point is the opening paragraph depends on how the applicant has taken up to write to the manufacturing company for agency. So we will give a proper starting that I am interested for the agency, for your company, for this reasons, and I have these facilities. So you will start the letter in a proper way. Further, in the next paragraph, what you will write, that you have to furnish your particulars. So आपको अपने particulars, अपनी personal information उन्हें देनी होगी. Further, next you have to mention the terms of agency acceptable to you. अपनी साइड से आपके क्या टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन है जो कि आप एक्सेप्ट करते हैं किसी in this terms and conditions I would like to work with you in these terms and conditions. So एक initial stage पे you will express your expectations with the manufacturing company, and further it would be as assistance to the manufacturer if you mention a couple of trader references and your bankers. See, for any manufacturing company ये बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि आपका फाइनेंशियल स्टेटस क्या है और ट्रेडर्स आपके पास कितने हैं. सो उन ट्रेडर का रेफरेंस एंड बैंकर का रेफरेंस, दीज आर द टू इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग जो कि किसी भी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी को यकीन दिलाने में हेल्प करेगा दैट वाई you are the suitable person for this agency. So you will mention that thing also, and further conclude your letter with the hope. आप इस hope के साथ letter end करोगे कि in future you will get the positive response from the company, from the manufacturer. Now here is one sample of the letter. As I told you, we will start the letter from the company address. So suppose as an agent I'm writing the letter, I have a small company and मैं उसके लिए letter लिख रही हूँ. So I will write down, for example, here is one sample of the letter, Nirav Brothers, Gujarat. So that's the address of my company, and I am writing the letter for application of an agent. After that, on the left side I will write the date. After date, the address of the inside address, the address of that manufacturing company. So here the general manager, Mesur Silk Limited, and the whole address. After that, salutation, dear sir, dear ma'am, or whatever, and then the subject. So the sole agency for Gujarat and Maharashtra. So आपका main concern क्या है इस letter लिखने के पीछे? That you want an agency for Gujarat and Maharashtra. So you are writing a letter to Mesur Silk कि आपको उनकी silk की agency चाहिए, and you want to cover the areas of two states, that is Gujarat and Maharashtra. So वो हो गया subject. Now after subject, the main body, the main subject of the letter. So how we will write? Mr. S. Kumar, sales manager, Modi Textiles Limited, has informed us. So आपको इस चीज़ का reference किसने दिया है, that you will mention. So he has informed us that you are looking for any agent for particular two states, Gujarat and Maharashtra, and further what we will write, that we would be pleased to represent you as your agent in these two states. So आप ये चीज़ मेंशन करोगे कि कहाँ से आपको ये इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली, and further आप क्या चाहते हो. So we are interested to be a part of your company as an agent and we would like to cover these two particular states, and उस states में further you will contact to the different traders. So we would therefore assure you confidently of large sale of your product throughout the year. So आप further उनको एक यकीन दिलाओगे कि what's your purpose behind this, that you will pay attention behind the sale of the product, because ultimately that is the main purpose of the agent. And further, for your standing and credit, you may refer, as I told you, कि आपकी एक इमेज बनाने के लिए या फिर एक रेफरेंस देने के लिए we can mention the name of the traders and bankers so that it will be easy for any company to appoint you as an agent. So we will mention that Mr. S. Kumar, the sales manager, Modi Textiles Limited, Mysore. So that's the reference from our side to the manufacturing company. An effective distribution system is the lifeblood of the manufacturing unit, and that is precisely what we are offering. So we will conclude the letter with the proper ending कि actually आप चाहते क्या हो, that we are interested and what's our motive behind all these things. As I told you कि हम कोई भी end जो करेंगे वो that end we will do with a positive note that we await your decisions in this matter. So we are waiting for the decision, whatever your decision is, and your faithfully and then your name and all. So this is the letter from our side that we are interested to be an agent of this particular company, and we are writing application for an agency to the company. Now, for the same thing, reply from the manufacturer. उसके लिए what things we have to take here? Acknowledge with thanks the correspondence letter. Appreciation his interest. आप उसको appreciate करोगे कि thank you to giving to paying interest in our company, and that you want to be a part of this company as an agent, and inform whether you are prepared to grant the agency applied for or not. Are you able to apply? Are you able to provide that agency or not? That also you will mention. Now for that sake, now this letter is from principal side to the agent. Previous letter was from the agent side to the principal, and this is from the principal side, from the manufacturing company side to the agent जिसने demand करी है कि वो agent बनना चाहता है. So again you will write down the company address on the top, then date, then inside address, dear sir, and further. Many thanks for your letter on letter of 27th September. We will mention the date also कि किस date पे, or else we can write down the reference number also of that particular letter. We appreciate your interest in developing a market for our goods. हम appreciate करते हैं कि आपने interest दिखाया हमारी कंपनी में for the agency sake, and we have also received reports. हमने reports भी receive कर ली है उन सब लोगों से जिनका reference आपने हमें दिया था. And so we are interested to give you this agency. The agency will be for a period of 3 years. As I told you कि कोई भी agency start करेंगे for the limited period, so they are giving us, they are offering that we are willing to give you this agency for 3 years, and kindly complete the enclosed arrangements, whatever arrangements उसके लिए है please उसको आप fulfill करें, and along with the check of draft of 50,000 as security deposit which will earn your interest. So उसके लिए initial stage पे क्या क्या terms and conditions है कि वो 3 years के लिए आपको agency देने के लिए तैयार है. Before that you have to submit 50,000 rupees check as deposit, and further things, and your faithfully. So like this we will end our letter. Further, so we have discussed 2 letters, and the rest 6 letters I have explained you orally that what we will write in that particular address, particular letters. That next letters we will discuss the terms and conditions. Then further we will negotiate the terms and conditions कि कितना percentage होना चाहिए, कितना deposit चाहिए, कितनी sale होनी चाहिए, all such things we will discuss. And suppose if there is decline in the sales, that principal can ask questions to the agency that why there is decline in the sales, and after that a reply from the agent side that what are the reasons, the explanation from the agent side that what are the reason behind the decline of the sales, and further the regarding to the regarding to the willingly surrender of an agency or disqualified any agent. Principal भी किसी भी agent को disqualified कर सकता है. So in this topic agency correspondence we have 8 letters, and I hope कि now you have idea that what exactly you have to write down in these 8 letters. What is the relation between principal and agent, what's the sense of agency correspondence, and why, what kind of letter we will write under these agencies correspondence. So you have 8 letters. We have discussed 2 letters in detail with the samples. In the further letters you have to follow the same samples, only the main body, the main points will get changed, otherwise rest thing, the address, date, your faithfully, dear sir, all these things will remain the same. Only that main body you have to change according to the subject. So thank you very much for listening my lecture. I hope I'm able to conclude my topic with all the points. All the best. Thank you.
Sandhan, All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.